Sibingelele sikomkele indabeni zehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa kulesithathu umbukeli sibingelele nakuwe ke osibuka ku DTT igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali ngaze ngajabula umbukeli ukuthi ngihlanganyele kanye nawe namhlanje kusihlwa njalo ke sengifike qathatha ukuzokuthamdela ngazo zonke indaba zosuku asingabe sapholisa amaseko ke asingene kuze ihamba phambili kusihlwa nje.
By mutual agreement between all Brics member states, President Putin will not be attending the summit.
Ihhovisi likaMengameli wezwe selimemezele ukuthi uMengameli waseRussia uVladimir Putin angeke seza kuleli kuzothamela ingqungquthela yamazwe eBrics ezobanjwa ngenyanga ezayo.
A milestone in our democracy, which is about the signing of a constitutional amendment to recognize sign language as the 12th official language of South Africa.
INingizimu Afrika isineyilwimi eziyishumi ngemva kokuthi uMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ecikice umthetho ogunyaza ulwimi lwezimpawu njengolwimi lweshumi olusemthethweni yeNingizimu Afrika.
Every game's big for us, and this is just kind of like an added bonus to be able to be here at home and achieve our goals we've set out.
Amazwe amabili azosingatha indebe yomhlaba yabesifazane iNew Zealand kanye neAustralia athi konke sekumi ngomumo ngaphambi kokuqala kwalomqhudelwano. Sekube nesigameko sokuqhuma esenzeke emgwaqeni omatasa uBri enkabeni edolobha laseGoli. Imbangela yokuqhuma ayikaziwa kanti kuholele ekulimaleni kweimoto ezimbalwa. Abezime iphuthumayo bathi abanaso isibalo sabantu abalimalile okwamanje.
We don't have the details in terms of the number of people who might have been injured, but we know that during the process of that incident, there was a taxi which was mainly affected along Brics, which is suspected to have maybe about 16 people who were inside the taxi. So out of that taxi, we don't know as yet as to how many people might have been injured and also as to how many might have lost their lives in this incident. So we should be able to give further details maybe later on this evening. I can confirm that there was an explosion which affected the vehicles which were traveling along Brics Street. So of course there are a number of people who were along that area when parts of that road caved in. So at this stage we don't know whether there might also be some of the pedestrians which might have been affected, during that explosion. So further details we still have to follow as soon as we have assessed the whole incident.
uMengameli wezwe laseRussia uVladimir Putin ngeke esawuhambela umhlangano wamazwe eBrics ozosingathwe eGauteng ngasekupheleni kwenyanga ezayo. Lesi sinqumo sethule emahlombe umthwalo kahulumeni waseNingizimu Afrika obekungacaci ukuthi uzokwazi noma cha ukumbopha uma kwenzeka pheletheleka kuleli ngokulandela umyalelo wenkantolo yomhlaba iInternational Criminal Court.
Emini namhlanje ihhovisi likaMengameli wezwe likhiphe istatement eliqinisekisa ukuthi uMengameli waseRussia ngeke saba ingxenye yoMengameli bamazwe eBrics abazokwethamela ingqungquthela bukhoma eGoli ngenyanga ezayo. Kunalokho uPutin usezothumela ongungqongqoshe omnyango wezangaphandle kwelaseRussia uSergey Lavrov.
The summit will be attended by the leaders of Brazil, China, India, and South Africa. By mutual agreement between all Brics member states, President Putin will not be attending the summit.
iDA ibisifake enkantolo uhulumeni ngenhloso yokumphoqa ukuthi kuboshwe uPutin uma kwenzeka efika kuleli. Umholi weqembu uthi basaqhubeka nalolu daba enkantolo ephakeme eGoli noluzolalelwa ngoLwesihlanu.
The Democratic Alliance firmly believes that no one, regardless of their position, should be above the law. Our commitment to the principles of justice, accountability, and adherence to international treaties has won the day against the ANC and their Russian ally.
Abangomengameli bamazwe angaphansi kweBrics ongowaseBrazil neIndia kanjalo nowaseNingizimu Afrika bazowethamela bukhoma lo mhlangano weinsuku ezintathu ozoqala mhla zingama-22 ngenyanga ezayo eSandton eGoli.
Kudingeke ukuthi liguqe namhlanje icala lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa njengoba ufakazi uZandi Khumalo bengaphilile ekhale ngokuba buhlungu wesifuba.
uKhumalo Khihlisi kaNandi ngesikhathi echaza ngomzuzu wokugcina kameyiwa.
Ngalokho ngiqhubeka ngimthinta ebusweni ngithi senzo hlala nathi ungayindawo siyafika esibedlela and then ikuthema kusenjalo ngamphakamisa iskipa ngambamba la ngaphansi esiswini ngamuzwa ukuthi i-temperature njengoba bengimthinta ebusweni ayisafani nalengizwa esiswini usiyabanda esiswini.
Should we adjourn for a few minutes or will you continue? Is it good, please, may we just take a short adjournment?
5 minutes.
Emva kokufika esibedlela uthi umama wakhe uGladness Khumalo waphuthuma egumbini lapho umeyiwa ayexilonga khona ilapho ke baqala bezokuthi umeyiwa akasekho emhlabeni.
Ngaphambi afike kuthina kodwa waqala wakhala ngale and then ilasibone khona ukuthi ushuthi izinto azihambi kahle and then mayisefika kuthina uma washo ukuthi bamtshelile ukuthi usenza kasekho.
Emva kwesidlo sasemini bekulindele ukuthi kuqhubeke ukuphoswa ngemibuzo. uKhumalo ke uthe akaphilile. Umbuso ke uthe kunezinkinga ngendawo yokuhlala kuKhumalo.
I can't tolerate this type of behavior. Person comes to court, gives evidence. When she must be cross-examined, a problem arises which has got nothing to do with the running of the court. How is that possible? What's your full name, by the way, Ms. Tande?
Zandile.
Just stand up, please. Just stand up. What's your full names?
Zandile Lorraine Khumalo.
Yes, what's wrong with you?
I have a pain on my chest.
Hello?
I have a pain on my chest.
You have a pain in your chest?
Yes.
Kulindele ukuthi uKhumalo abuyele eboxini lofakazi kusasa.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa usecikice umthetho ogunyazwe ulimi lwezimpawu njengolimi lwe-12 olusemthethweni kuleli.
Umengameli wakuleli uCyril Ramaphosa useqinisekisa ukuthi sezisho 12 ilwimi ezisemthethweni kuleli lokhu kuzemva ukuthi sebenquma ukwengezo lwezimpawu. Umengameli uthi leli igxathu lizosiza kakhulu kwezinye ingqinamba ekhungethele lizwe okubala kuzo ukuntuleka kwamathuba emisebenzi.
A milestone in our democracy, which is about the signing of a constitutional amendment to recognize sign language as the 12th official language of South Africa.
uRamaphosa uthela kuleli liyazidla ngokuba izwe lesithathu ezwenikazi eAfrika ukuthi lwenze ulimi lwezimpawu lube semthethweni.
All official languages must enjoy parity, in other words, equality of esteem, and must be treated equitably.
Umengameli uqhubeke wagcizelela ukuthi zonke ilwimi ezisetshenziswa kuleli kufanele iqhakambiswe ngokulingana.
We will be joining 3 other countries on our continent who have preceded us, and we're very proud to join that group of countries that have advanced to the level of recognizing sign language as an official language.
Owengamelela kuleli ukuthi bamukelwe kahle emphakathini abantu abasebenzisa lolu limi lwezimpawu. Silindo kuhle ngidi endabeni zeSABC.
Kusenjalo isikole saseMthatha eFata School for the Blind and Deaf semukele isinqumo sikaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa sokugunyaza ulimi lwezimpawu njengolimi lwe-12 olusemthethweni kuleli.
Ukunxibelelana phakathi kwabantu abangevayo ngumngeno omkhulu ojongene nelizwe loMzantsi Afrika. Bambi babo kubanzima ukuba bafumane uncedo kwii-ofisi zikarhulumente ezabucala nasekuhlaleni ngokubanzi. Ukwenziwa kwe-sign language njengelwimi lusemthethweni kweli lizwe luloyiso olukhulu eMzantsi Afrika.
Ayikho enye indlela ebesinokwazi uqhubeka ngayo sititsha aba bantwana ngaphandle kobana sisebenzise le sign language kuthi ibefana uba into ekudala yenzeka ngoba kaloku vele thina impilo yethu okokoko yaxhameka kuyo.
Abantu abaninzi baliqhobele izandla inyathelo lokwenza ulwimi le-sign language lube semthethweni.
Mna ndingumzali onabantwana abadefu, ndinebhongo kakhulu futhi ngabantwana ne-confidence and ndiyakwazi bangabana ne-communicate nabantwana and ba-isolate futhi.
In every community there is umntana deaf or there is a relative that is deaf. So xa izokwenza i-12 official sign language, I think abantu they are going to give it a recognition, babe willing to learn about it, babe nomdla, babe interested.
Urhulumente wephondo uthi inkqubela phambili le ingakumbi kubantu abangevayo kwilizwe loMzantsi Afrika.
Custodians ze languages, so siyavuya kakhulu ukuba kurecognizwe nabo bangaboni njengabantu ngathi bona bayacalucalulwa kuba bengeva ngendlebe.
Abantu abangevayo bathi bafuna ukuhlonishwa yaye bathathelwe ingqalelo kuwo onke amasebe karhulumente. Ndinkululeko Nyembezi weendaba ze-SABC eMthatha.
Mbukelisi sasiqhu ngapha ngaseyitolo kanti ke uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela udaba oluthi
xa ngizaphuma ndaphinda ndathi tata uNdevu uyayibona nale mess ilapha ukufofana kwabantu kugcwele kuthe qhuwa kona indawo leyo hamba.
Owake wasebenza endaweni yokucima ukoma eNyobeni useveze ukuthi umnikazi wale ndawo usiyakhangela Ndevu wasishaya indiva isigameko sokugxobana esaholela ekushoneni kwentsha engama-20 Imindeni yendawo ekhahlanyezwe ikhukhula emasontweni amathathu edlule eCato Crest eThekwini ithi isahlalele ethembeni lokuthi kuzotholwa ihlobo zayo okusolwa ukuthi zemuka nezimvula einamandla.
Ngathi babekalela isikhathi sokuthi kuzaba 2 weeks mabesho. Kodwa sisaxhumana nomseshi ngoba usalokho is-update kokwenzakalayo mabe kwenzeka bethola something bayasitshela.
Isikhalo socela usizo uNonhlanhla Phandla uthi usechithe ngaphezulu kwamaviki amathathu efuna udadewabo uNolibabalo. Uthi usehambe isikhathi eside emfuleni eseduze ebheka nasezibhedlela ezahlukene nasemakhazini kodwa akakaze abe nenhlanhla. uPhandla uthi ube nethemba njengoba amathimba abatakuli abelekelela ngaphambi kokuthi amiswe ukufuna. Lo mndeni uthi ungowaseMatatiyela esifundazweni Eastern Cape bathi baseThekwini ukuzofuna imisebenzi. Olahlekile ungumama kumadodakazi amabili. Khona eduzane umndeni wakwaNgubo nawo usafuna uthandiweyo wabo olahlekile. Ubulelwa Ngubo kuthiwa kwabikwa ukuthi ulahlekile ngenkathi engafiki emsebenzini ngemuva kwezikhukhula.
Ngaqala lapho ke ngafuna nengangifuna nabo ngiya komamoshari imoshari ngigcine kuyona iPhoenix.
Izakhamizi ezakhahlamezeka seziqalile ukwakha kabusha amakhaya azo. Ngoba umasipala uvule izindawo zokukhoselisa abanye. Imindeni owakwaNgubo nowakwaPhandla nxusa ukuthi kuqhubeke uhlelo lokufunwa kwabalahlekile. Londi Khadebe, SABC News eThekwini.
Owake wasebenza endaweni yokucima ukoma eNyobeni useveze ukuthi umnikazi wale ndawo usiyakhangela Ndevu wayazi ngenhlekelele eyaholela ekutheni kushone izingane ezisencane engama-20 kodwa wasishaya indiva lesi simo ubethula ubufakazi yokucima ukoma eEast London namhlanje.
uDiko uxelele inkundla ukuba babengalawuleki abantu ngoba busuku befuna ukungena ngaphakathi ngenkani. Ongeze ngelithi usiyakhangela Ndevu wayekhona kulaa ndawo yentselo ngoba busuku. Uthi uNdevu wakubona okwenzekayo kodwa wadlula nje ingathi akaboni nto.
Ndiphumile ke phakala gumbe kuvale kulo ne-carry bag xa ndizaphuma ndaphinda ndathi tata uNdevu uyayibona nale mess ilapha ukufofana kwabantu kugcwele kuthe qhuwa kona indawo leyo hamba.
Emveni kokuba ebone ukuba uyohluleka ukulawula abantu uDiko uthi uye wangena ngaphakathi bana besiwa emva koko.
Ndiyasajonga abanye abantwana abancinci ndisathetha nabo basuke bawo basweleka apha ecangwa kwam ezinyaweni. Xa ngikrobe efestireni nabo abanye betsalwa ngubhuti wapha ngemva izidudla ziphuma efestireni. Abanye nabo bayayo bapha phansi sabathatha bayi3 sabangqengqe sabaphantsi sazama ubathandazela. Bathi oyi1 endandimnqandile uba makangeni phaa una 13 years wasweleka yena kwabantwana babelifana.
Ityala liyaqhuba ngomso. Esisibini sakwaNdevu sikwajamelene nesohlwayo malunga nale ndawo yentselo. Ndingulubabalo Tata kwindaba ze-SABC eMonti.
Indawo yokulahla imfucuza eBuffalo Drive erele menyakatho yeTheku ivalwe unomphelo. Lokhu kulandela emva kokuthi kutholane phezulu phakathi onogada kanye nababutha leleke ekutheni kushona umuntu oyedwa kwalimala ke nabanye.
Umphakathi wase-Buffelsdrive Verelem eThekwini uwotha ubovu sebenqandiwe ukuba baqoqe okusamfucuza kule ndawo enkulukazi yokulahla udoti eThekwini. Iningi eliqoqa lemfucuza lapha likhala ngokuvalwa kwale ndawo njengoba lithi ibebaphilisa le ndawo ngezinto abayithola khona ezifana nokudla, okusansimbi nezingubo zokugqoka.
Manje sesitholile indlela yethu yokuziphilisa. Singamantombazana amabili bese kuba yimina bese kuba ubaba. Akho umuntu osebenzayo. Sonke sisebenzele la dam. Nithi-ke njengoba nithi uhlelo nithazolenza for abantu abenza recycling. Lizoqala nini nanokuthi eyiphi iminyango kumele siyihambe.
Kunalento ekuthiwa i-recycling kuthiwa kuzokwenziwa uhlelo kanjalo. Angikholwa ukuthi kunomuntu ongathemba umuntu onjengami ukuthi ambeke phambili ezintweni ezikanjalo.
Umasipala weTheku umemezela ukuthi sekuzongena emfela ndawonye ethathwe kule ndawo ngenhloso yokuqoqa ongasetshenziswa.
Kuwona lo doti esikhuluma ngawo sizokhanda ugesi, kuwona lo doti khona bazobenza imikhiqizo ehlukahlukene, izingubo zokugqoka, bethatha imaterial esetshenziswa kathi okhaphethi kanye nazo zonke ezinye izinto ezizobe ikhanda umnotho eThekwini.
Khona manjalo abaqapha abayishakalombili okuthiwa abadubula abantu lapha babuyele enkantolo ngomfumfu. Eyindabeni ze-SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eVerelem.
Imeya yomasipala iChief Albert Luthuli uDanile Nkosi ucela zonke izakhamuzi zaseCarolina kanye naseBud Plus eMpumalanga ezixhuma ugesi ngokungemthetho ukuba isebenzise lesi sikhathi sikashwele ziphumele obala. Lesi sikhathi sikashwele kulindeleke ukuthi siphele esontweni lokuqala lenyanga ezayo. Izakhamuzi zicele ukuphumela obala zibike ngokuxhunywa kwagesi okungekho emthethweni.
Ukuxhunywa kogesi okungekho emthethweni kuletha ingcindezi enkulu kumasipala. Izakhamuzi zaseCarolina nezaseBud Plus zinikwe ithuba lokubika ngalesenzo esingekho emthethweni. Bangaphezulu kwama-40 abantu asebebikile ngalesikhathi sikashwele.
Sesathatha isinqumo sokuthi asibanikethe shwele laba thola igesi ngalokungekho emthethweni. Lokho kubangela ukuthi sine program lesifuna ukuthi si-implemente sihambise la supply khona igesi la isilobela nase emanzana. Manje ke sibonile ukuthi baningi bantu laba ngaveli ngaphambili batothenga igesi kodwa bayithola le gesi.
Izakhamuzi zilwamukele lolu hlelo.
Lokho kuzosisiza kakhulu ekutheni ukuthi manje njengoba sihlala sinenkinga yokuthi manje igesi yethu iyawa njalo kulelwadi especially lesimekilo.
Into kahle vele befuna yenzeke ukuthi ngiko lokuthi ufuna ukuthi kuyiwe kamasipala kukhulunyiswane nomasipala nathi thina lesihlala nzima lesisebenzisa igesi ngendlela lengekho emthethweni nathi asifakele sibe nemakhaya nathi yabona sokhona ukuthi sihambe soyithenga leyo gesi.
Umasipala awunasikweletu ne-Eskom uthi ufuna ukuqhubeka nokuba negama elihle. Izakhamuzi zizohluleka ukubika ngokuxhuma kogesi ongekho emthethweni ngalesikhathi sikashwele zizonqunyelwa ugesi bese zikhokhiswa imali yokufaka kabusha.
Kanti ke mbukeli mangabe singena kwezomnotho beluphezulu uhwebo lwerandi ezimakethe namhlanje. Irandi libiza R17.96 edoleni lasemelika libo R23.12 kupondo kanti lingu R20.10 ku-euro. Ipula laseBotswana libiza R1.36. IJS ivale inkomba yezabelo yehlile. Igolide libiza $1,973 i-ounce, iplatinum ibiza $978 i-ounce, uwele ngohluziyo ubiza $80.37 umphongolo. Uyaqala kusasa umqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba yabesifazane ebholeni likanobhutshuzwayo kanti ke isigungu esilawula ezemidlalo silindele ukuthi lo mqhudelwano uzosingathwa iAustralia kanye neNew Zealand ubukelwe ngabantu abangu-2 billion.
INew Zealand ayikazi inqobe nowodwa umdlalo emidlalweni emhlanje esayidlalile kwendebe yomhlaba njengoba nje kusasa izoqala neNorway. Ukapteni weNew Zealand uthi kuyabakhuthaza ukuba iqembu elibukelwa phansi.
Every game is big for us and this is just kind of like an added bonus to be able to be here at home and achieve our goals we've set out. And like you say, we're always seen as the underdogs, and for us we've always taken it in our stride and we'll do exactly the same looking at the first game tomorrow.
Nevakashi seyiqala ukujabula eNew Zealand njengoba uqala nje kusasa lo mqhudelwano.
I'm feeling super excited to be here. I'm here with my aunt and we are just excited to take in some soccer. They have some great culture here. Lots of really awesome people we've run into and gotten to talk to so far. So excited for more of that in the coming days.
Kusenjalo, i-Australia ngenye yamazwe amabili asinyathela umqhudelwano izodlala umdlalo wayo wokuqala walo mqhudelwano kusasa ne-Ireland eSydney ngehora le-12 bebade. Kanti namhlanje kuvulwa i-FIFA Museum emcimbini wabalandeli eSydney ngaphambi nje kokuba kuqala umqhudelwano ndebe womhlaba.
We tell a very, very nice story here as part of this exhibition, and we want to tell this story and make as many people as possible explore those different stories.
Ikhuza lomqhudelwano ziqhubekile namalungiselelo kanti uguquko olwenziwe kulomqhudelwano ukuthi abalandeli enkundleni bazozizwa incazelo ekaNompempe uma esethatha isinqumo ngohlobo lwezobuchwepheshe olusizo Nompempe i-VAR.
Ngikubingele mbukele emakhaya ngiphinde ngikwamukele kwisimo sezulu sanamhlanje simi kanjani ke izoluthana ngabe lihleke nje kakhulukazi ngempela lapha esifundazweni sase Eastern Cape lidlive njalo kuya lapha esifundazweni sase Western Cape kanti ke ukhona ke nalo amsingo obandayo ogudla lapha esifundazweni saKwaZulu Natal kwena kanjalo esifundazweni sase Free State kanti ke kusasa ngasilindeleke nje leza imvula ezinamandla kakhulukazi nje impela lapha esifundazweni saKwaZulu Natal mandla zikhona ke lapha esifundazweni sase Eastern Cape kanti ke esifundazweni sase Gauteng ngaso ulindeleke nje lo amoya obandayo ugudla njalo lapha esifundazweni sase Free State kanti ke isixwayiso sethu sakusihlwa esiphuma lapha kwa South African Weather Service simi kanje likhithikileke izulu ikakhulukazi nje lapha esifundazweni sase Eastern Cape wena ke ulapha esifundazweni sase Western Cape othi nje ulibhekisa olwandle kuzomela ukuthi uqapheleke kusasa ngoba ulwandle luthukuthele kanti ke futhi nakusasa ngaphinde futhi kulindeleke lo wakhithika esifundazweni sase Eastern Cape kudla njalo kuya lapha esifundazweni saKwaZulu Natal ake sibheka amazinga okushisa kusihlwa ukuthi ami kanjani ke izulu thana singabe lihleke lapha koKapa lodumo liyabanda ngo7 liyakuza ke lapha koUppington ukuthi ngubonga ke ngo3 kanti ke koGoli liyabanda ngempela qhaqhelisa amazinyo ke ngo5 masibheke nje lapha esifundazweni saKwaZulu Natal ko Ladysmith liyabanda ngo4 libande njalo lapha koMgungundlovu kanti lithanda ukuthi nje liphole eThekwini ngo14 liyabanda eMthatha ngo8 kanti ke kusasa izulu thana ukuthi lingabe lihleke futhi nje kakhulukazi lapha esifundazweni sase Western Cape koKapa lodumo u15 kanti eUppington u17 eMusina u22 eGoli u18 eNambithi u9 kanti ke eMgungundlovu u16 liyabanda ke eThekwini koClermont koMashu koMlazi ngo16 kanti ke lapha koEast London u12 eGqeberha u15 ngisibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa mina ke ngiyintombi kaMadlamini olangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukelisa ziyaguqa-ke lapha besiniphathele zona namhlanje kusasa zizobe ziphakwa ngoza kwethu ngolwimi lesiXhosa. Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi la ey'ndabeni zesiZulu. Nibe nobusuku obuhle nisale kahle.